Welcome back once again. In this part, we're going to learn how to work with ellipse tools. In the previous part, we ended up working with rectangle tools and we were able to design these sort of things. Now, in this part, let me explain to you how to work with ellipse tools. So for doing this thing, first and foremost, let me add a new frame. So click on this frame, and then in the right side, we will be able to see all the frame options. And then I'm gonna select this iPhone Pro here, and now click on this move tool or the select tool, or you can simply click here or press B, then we can drag it or anything, whatever we want to do. Now if you want to work with ellipse tools, then we need to click on these ellipse tools. So click on the ellipse tools, then you will be able to drag it. So you can drag it this way. So just hold it and then drag it, and let me undo it. So what you need to do, you just need to select a certain area, then you can drag it this way, and you can increase the size and decrease the size. And once you will select this option, then you can change the height and width from over here. So let me add the height 200 and the width is 200 as well, and here you go. And now for this one I'm gonna select 200, and this one I'm gonna select 200. So now we have our two circle, or we can say two ellipse item, and in here you will be able to see the icon is gonna show it here. Now let me add a background color here. So in the previous part I have shown you that how can we add a background color. So if you want to add background color, we need to click this fill, and then in here we can select our background color. And for this one I'm gonna select a different color, maybe this one. Now what can we do here? We can add a border. So increase the size of border, we can say 5, and then we will be able to see the border. And if you want to change the color of the border, then you can simply change the color of the border. See, the color of this border has been changed. And for this one I'm gonna say 5, and also change the color to this one. So this way you can add the border radius on your ellipse item. Now if I'm gonna do this one on top of this one, and then so let's say you want to add this blue one on background and this pink one on top. Okay, then how can you do it? So simply just select the ellipse and then right click, and in here once you right click you will be able to see a couple of options are here, like bring to front, bring forward, send backward, and send to back. So click on send to back, and then you can see the blue one is now in back and the pink one on top. Okay, so this is the way to do this thing. You can do this one this way. And let me add one more ellipse here. So select the ellipse here and then change the color and this color. Okay, now so once we will select this color here, in here we can customize this ellipse on different ways. So if you want to do it, just double click, we just need to select the ellipse, and once we will select the ellipse, then we can drag it this way and we can drag it this way. So what we need to do, we just need to double click on our ellipse. So double click on it. Once you will double click, this sort of things is gonna appear here, like the circle, small circle. You can take it and you can drag it according to your design issue. Okay, so this way you can make design. Once you will do it and then select, if you want to rotate it, then you can simply rotate it this way. Okay, and now let me duplicate it. So I'm gonna press Command D. Remember that in the previous part I have told you that how to make a duplicate. So press Ctrl D, and this is the duplicate data, and I'm gonna rotate it this way. Here we go. And then so if you want to, you can change the color here let me add this color. Alright, this black, it's not a black, and on top let me add another ellipse. Here you go, and select the V to select the tool, and then change the color here. Here you go. So we made a design here, and now let me add one more ellipse here. I just wanted to show you that what sort of things we can create through these ellipse tools, and change the background color of it. Alright, this one. Now again double click, and then double click, and then select the tools. See, even if you want, you can click here, and then you can make this design this way, and whatever changes you are doing here, it is gonna show you here. Alright, and here you go. So I hope you have understood how to work with ellipse tool, and you can design different sort of things using these ellipse tools. It's completely depend on you what sort of design you want to make, and just need to customize it. So follow the rules that I have shown you, and then you can create any sort of design. So I hope you have learned the uses of ellipse tools, and I'm gonna stop this video right here, and we will continue it from the next lecture. And in the next lecture we will learn how to work with polygon tools. So see you guys in the next lecture. Bye bye.